Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. In this video, I'm going to show us how we can explain the circumference of a circle to our students. And in this way, I'm going to use a method whereby you can cut your circle and open it so that the children will know that the circumference of a circle is actually the same thing as cutting a circle and stretching it on a straight line. And you can use the ruler to take the measurement. So just watch as I start. To start, I need a slider. So just get a slider. To this slider, I want the minimum to be 0. And I want the maximum of this slider to be, let me just say 10. And let me define my slider as R. For this slider will control my radius. So let the increment be, let's say 0.1. Okay. So let's get another slider that will control the movement of the peeling of the circle. So the minimum in this case, let me take 0. Then the maximum, since the maximum I want the circle to peel is length of a circle, which is 2 pi r. So just type pi as pi and 2 pi r. The system will understand. You may not put increment, it's okay. Just leave it like this and you click on OK. So you have your slider, delete this. Have your slider now fully set. So you move this, see it's affecting the motion of the second slider. So just like that. So you can see it. So when it's 0, it disappears. So let me leave this as 1. Then let me leave this as, let me just leave it as 2. So now I need a point. Let's get a point. So this point I need, just take your bracket in this place. Just take your bracket here, then type in these two values. So let radius be your x, comma, then let a be your y. Okay, sorry, let's take the other one. Let a be your x, let r be your y. So that is it. So enter. So that is your point A. Then on this point A, you can create a circle. Let's create a circle. So use the circle center and radius. So the center is going to be this circle. Then the radius is going to be this R. Just put your R there. You are good to go. So this is your circle. So we can hide the label of this circle. Just click on the circle, come to this place, click on hidden to go. Then the next thing is we need to get a tangent on this circle. Just come to your tangent, look for tangent. This is tangent. And this tangent, I want it says select line, then circle. I want the tangent to be on this line, on the circle. Okay, the tangent should be on the circle like this. So you can see it. Then that is all. Then the next thing I need to do, I need a point on this place now, which is something like this. I need to create intersection point to get intersect. So intersection of this and this, which is this, then intersection of this line and the circle itself, that is C. So I've done that. Then let's watch what will happen as I change my radius. See the circle is increasing. Then as I move point A, the circle is sliding. It will slide to the maximum radius of this circle, which is 2 pi r. So that is it. So the next thing I want to do, now, I want this point C to rotate. I want to rotate point C. So what I need to do, I'll just type my rotate. So type your rotate. So rotate object at an angle, and what is the uh, point of rotation? So I take this one. So the object I'm rotating is point C. Just type your capital C there. Then what is the angle of rotation? I want this point C to rotate anti-clockwise on this circle. So just take your minus A all over R. So A divided by R. Then the next point now is what will be the point of rotation. So A is my point of rotation. That's my center of rotation is A. Just put your A there, then click on enter. Then click on empty space. You can see that the point has been rotated. So if you want to move the point that is being rotated, let's watch what will happen. So you can see what is happening. See, as I move this slider A, you see C is turning. So this is where I will do my rotation now. Just watch what I will do next. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll create a line from B to C. That is a segment. So create a segment from B to C. Then I'll create an arc. Let's go to circle. So let's get an arc. So use circular arc. So which is to select center and 2 points. So I need circular arc from C down to C image of C. So with this, I've done what I want my children to do. Let me hide every other things I don't need. Just right click. First, I don't need my axis. The next thing I don't need my grid. Let me remove my grid. Then all these lines, I don't need them. Let me hide them. Just click on it. Just right click and click show object. Right click this, click show object. Then all these points, labels, I don't need them. Just be clicking on hidden. Point B, click on hidden. Point C, click on hidden. Point D here, click on hidden. C, click on hidden. Then the center point itself, click on hidden. Then this arc, I want it to be thicker than this. Let me move it to like 10. And let me change the color to something bright. Let me use red, okay. Same thing with this one. I want it to be thicker than this. Let's take it to 10. Then I want the color to be red as well. So with this, my work is done. I can hide this one as well. Just right click, show object. Can right click all these points, show object. Right click all this and show object. So you have done your work. All you need to do is to move this slider. So this is the highest. As you go around, you see. Now it looks as if this circle, you see, it's as if you have cut this circle at one point and you are peeling it and opening it. You can see the way it goes. So with this, you can explain the circumference of a circle to your students by telling them that when you click on when you cut the circle and open it, it will be straight line that you can measure on a ruler. So that is the beauty of Geogebra Classic when you want to do some work in mathematics to make your work easy for your student to understand. So let me close this as well. So that is all I have for this video. If you want to increase your radius, you can increase the radius by changing this slider. So the circle is now big. Then as usual, it will go. You can turn it around. See the complete circle. You can cut it, peel it, and open it. something like this. If you like, you can even hide this circle. Just right click on the circle, hide it. Only this one will move. You can even hide this one if you like. Hide it such that it's only this line that will be moving. So you have a circle, you can see the circle, you can cut it and open it. You can do it like this. Anyhow you want to explain it to your student, you can do the demonstration. You are the teacher, you know your objective, you know what you want them to achieve in this class. So that is all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do have a nice day.